Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to link or connect Google Calendar to Standstore. So if you want to connect or link your Google Calendar, here's a simple trick and straightforward guide in order to get it done within a minute. So the first thing to do is to log in to your Standstore. So to log in, go to your browser and input the URL, which is stand.store, and sign in using your account credentials. Then from there you have to go to the settings. So go to your dashboard and click the settings icon in the side menu of the screen. Then the next thing to do is to open the calendar integration. So find and click the calendar integration or connect calendar. So after that, you have to select Google Calendar from the list of available calendar option. Then a new window will pop up. Then sign into your Google Calendar and allow Standstore to access your calendar. So after that, you can choose which Google Calendar you want to connect. For example, you can connect the work or booking calendar. Then after that, you have to save your changes. So click the save button or click the connect button to finish linking your calendar. And here's a quick tip for that: make sure your Google Calendar is updated with your real schedule. So Stand will automatically sync booking available on your calendar. And that's how to link or connect Google Calendar to Standstore. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.